Common noun versus proper noun. Boy Shakib, girl Lily, river the Jamuna, country Bangladesh, city Feni, book the Quran, animal tiger, color red, month January, vegetable tomato, tea teak, mobile Oppo, day Sunday, flower rose, food mango, language Bangla, season summer, company Tata, bird the eagle, fish Hilsa.